Hey guys, Rich Piscina, your YouTube vlogging creator. Today I want to talk about uploading your videos from your iPhones. Okay, and I got 3 over here and I'm going to show you in a little bit. But before we get started, if this is the first time on my YouTube channel, I just want to say welcome. And for all of those who recently subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you for subscribing. It is greatly appreciated. I hope you like the content. You come back for more. And this video is being created with Filmora 13. Okay, well, I just want to share this with you. Hopefully this video won't be too long, because I know you guys are busy and I don't want to take too much of your time up. I have over here, let's go to Cam 5 here. I have over here 3 iPhones. iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is refurbished. I bought it, from an electronics store. This one came from an electronics store, and this one came from eBay. This one here is the iPhone 8. This is the iPhone 5S. Okay, they all work, but the reason I'm doing this video is just in case if you're not familiar on how to upload this stuff to your Filmora, whatever you're using, Filmora 13. I had to learn a little different. I had a different experience when it came to using the 12 Pro Max over here. It didn't work the same way as this one here. It detects it. Okay, Filmora will detect it, but it does it. It puts it in a different file. In other words, it doesn't upload into the Filmora directory. And I'm going to show you in a little bit. Okay, and over here I got the charging block, which I'm not going to use. This is the one for this is a thicker cable because it's for the 12 Max here. So I don't need this for this demo video here. So I'm going to put it on the side. Okay, we'll put that there. We're going to get that in a little bit. And this one here, what's nice about older phones, they can be hand-me-downs, right? First I bought this one and this one, but what's nice about it is they can still use the same charging cord. Okay, and we don't need the brick here. That's what they call it, the brick, whatever. Anyway, so that's why I need these cables here. All right. So without further ado, I'm just going to take a picture. I'm going to just take a picture with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well, actually, let's do this one first. Let's do this. I'm not going to use this guy here. The reason why I got this one here is because it's going to do the same thing. I've been using the iPhone 5S as a webcam and an action camera, believe it or not. I did a video like that. You might want to check it out one of these days if you got the time. But right now, I'm not going to do any photos or videos with this here, because it's basically the same. It's going to work the same way with these two. I know that for a fact because when I had Filmora 13, the older version, it worked with it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Seeing is believing. It's better to see it in action than to do it the other way. Alright, so I'm going to turn this phone on here. I have to put my glasses on for reading, of course. And it's still got juice. I had this charged this up for quite some time now. Let me go over here, click this on. I put my password in here. Hold on for a second. Okay. And we got this here, no messages. Okay. Anyway, what we want to do is, I'm not gonna. I mean, I could show you with a video and stuff. I could show you the video, or just take a snapshot. And I'm gonna use the. I don't know if you can see it there. You see that? You can't. It's too glary. I'm gonna go with the photo one. Oh, what happened here? Okay, I'm gonna use the photo video, the camera one here. I'm gonna click the camera on, and here again, I don't know if you can see that there. It's for the video. It's got just a photo. If you want to slide it over to the no, that's video. If you want to, I don't want to do a video. Oops, this is gonna be a problem. That's what's gonna pop up. Let's go to photo. Okay, so I'm gonna take a picture. I guess I'll take a picture of my Elgato Stream Decks. We'll just do that for argument's sake. So I'm gonna take a picture with this, like that. Okay, so now I have it. Now here's the thing. All right, I'm not gonna close this out, but I will say this: if your phone times out like after so many seconds, mine I think times out after 35 seconds on all of my phones, even that one as well. You have to make sure this is logged in. Like, in other words, if it requires a password, you got to make sure this password's entered in here, or else it ain't going to download onto the what do you call it? The Filmora 13 is not going to be able to capture the photo or the video. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I just took a quick photo. All right, like I said, I'm going to keep this video as short as possible. I want to just show something to you. I want to bring something to your attention, guys. All right, so I'm going to plug this in. I got a USB connector right in my computer here. All right, move that over there. Okay, it'll say over here accessory connected. You can't see that because of the glare. And we'll just go over here again. I'll type in my. Okay, got that. All right, now that's a message that comes up. me just do this one more time here. All these codes and stuff. Okay. So anyway, you can't see it, but that's the picture I just took before, right? Can you see that there, guys? That's the picture I took on my Elgato Stream Decks, okay? All right, this way you know. All right, so I don't have to be, actually, I don't have to be in this here. As long as the phone is activated, it's logged in, it's no problem. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over here to Filmora. So let me just minimize the screen here. And here we are, Filmora. Okay. We've got a couple of takes there. I got to get rid of those there. Anyway, so what you want to do is you want to go where it says import, okay, and you're going to scroll down here where it says import from a camera or a phone. We're going to click that on, and it's going to say here's going to be a whole bunch of them. Now here's a whole bunch of different pictures I took. Okay, I didn't clear out the phone. That's the old phone. That's from the iPhone 8. As you noticed, it detected it. Okay, so. And the other thing is, if you don't want to upload all these photos because you already have them loaded up to your computer, just uncheck this here and only check off the one that you want to show people, whatever, or you want for yourself. So you click that on there. Like that. There's the photo. That's the quick. That's the image one there. That's the one with the video. That did it really quick, I think. Let me see. Yeah, that's the photo, I think. Right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there was the two of them. That's because I accidentally hit the video on the other one. But as you can see, it detected it right over here. And if you click this on here, that's okay. It'll tell you Apple iPhone's detected. Okay, so remember that now. And that'll work with the iPhone 5S. Well, if you have a 5S, well, it works with my 5S, and it works with the iPhone 8. Okay, that's what this is here. So I'm going to unplug this. Okay, I'm going to unplug this, and I'm going to turn on this here device loss. Yeah, you're going to get that message that comes up because I unplugged it. Okay, so let's just clear that out. And we're going to go back over here again, back over here, boom. Okay, it's powered on. I got to put my code in there again. All right, and now I'm going to go to camera. And this one's going to have quite a few pictures on it as well. I'm just going to take a picture of the my computer really quick here with a keyboard. Take a photo. Okay, that's the photo of it. And now we're going to go back to Filmora, and I want to show you something, guys. Let's go back here. Go back to Filmora. Now, let me plug this into my computer. Well, plug it into the phone first. Okay, like that. And I'll plug this in like this here. Remember, make sure you're logged in. You got to be logged in. Okay, I'm logged in already. All right. So I don't have to do anything. I could just show you the picture I took there, whatever, if you want to see that there. I don't know if you can see that. Well, you're going to get this message. Well, not you. I have Corel for that there. In order to text that. I don't think you can see that there right now. But anyway, it's got the picture of the Logitech keyboard over here. All right. So now, when we go over here, now remember, this is with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you guys are using Filmora 13, you're experiencing a problem like this here, you gotta do. There's a workaround for it. So you're gonna go over here, same thing, import from a camera or phone, click it on. It's gonna say here, you're gonna see it says Apple iPhone. It detected it. This here, if you refresh it, it's like I call it like a little refresh thing here. If you refresh it, it's not gonna do anything. Okay, even if you hit the pull down arrow, it's not gonna do anything either. See? Now it says no media files found. You know why it was not found? Because it's already downloaded. It downloaded so quick. All right. And once you do that, you don't have to be in the import for device. What happens is close this out here, cancel it. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, here's where you got to go to the import. You're going to go to import, and you're going to go to media folder. Actually, well, you go to media folders. We'll do it that way here. I got a whole bunch of junk here. And over here, you're going to see it says Apple iPhone. Okay. When you click on the Apple iPhone, it's going to say internal storage. You're going to click that on. It's going to give you, well, this is my file folders. They all got different pictures in there as well. This should be the latest one, the 202-407. You click that on, and you're going to see that picture there. Where is it? The one I just did with the keyboard, if I can find it there. Anytime you want to, and another thing too, anytime you want to get the latest, whatever, just right-click, and well, let me see if it'll do it this way here. Sort by, that's it. You can sort by the date too, or well, this one here doesn't have the date, but well, modified or whatever. Okay. Usually I have the date on there as well. I think that was this one here. Let's see. Let's click this on. I think that was it. Yeah, that's the one that just showed you. That's the one we just took a picture of. Okay. So that's all you got to do, folks. It's for some reason, and again, this is Filmora 13. Okay, this is the 13.5.6 version, and for some reason, at least on my computer, you guys may beg to differ. You might say, well, I'm not having that problem. Well, I am, and it was driving me crazy because I said, where are my files? You know, where are my photos and my videos? I couldn't find them. So that was the problem I had with this here. So let me just make this bigger over here. Yeah, that was the problem I was having. I couldn't find it, and I was like, where are they? It says no media files, and I have them. I have, you know, this phone here, especially this one, because I got this one maybe a month ago, and I was taking some videos with it and some pictures and stuff like that. It's a nice phone. I got this at Micro Center. For those of you out there, you probably don't know where Micro Center is. It's over here in Westbury, New York. They sell refurbished iPhones and stuff like that. You know, this one here, the iPhone 8 came from, like, I don't know if I said it before, but I think I did. This came from Micro Center. Back then, this was, oh man, this was bought years ago. This was like $359 back then. The iPhone 5S. This is the first one I bought, my first iPhone, and this one cost me $149 if I'm not mistaken. I bought it off of eBay. Came in nice condition. They're both gold. They're the gold tone. You know, these are both the gold tone. I just got black cases on to protect them. And yeah, and this guy here, I bought this one here. Like I said, at Micro Center as well. I did a video and I paid $529, I believe, $529 for this one here. I bought this here, and I love it. It's refurbished. The new phones today, the iPhone 14, 15, 16, whatever, they're going to probably come out with, who knows, every year they're going to be coming out with new phones, and I ain't buying anymore. I was talking to a relative, I just want to pull this out here. I was talking to a relative the other day. I said, this phone is huge. I mean, I think the newer phone, I'm not sure if it's the iPhone 16 or 15, whatever. This is, I think, is a 6.7 screen, I guess diagonal, whatever. I think the other one's going to be 6.8. You might say, what's the big deal? But look at this thing. This is the first one I had. Can you imagine? Look at the size of it. This just to give you an idea. This is the iPhone 5S. Okay. This one is the iPhone 8. This thing's a monster. I mean, the holster I have for it. I gotta put it away. I mean, if it gets any bigger, you might as well carry a mini iPad with you, because that's basically. I mean, how much bigger they're gonna make these things, and it's heavy too. Very clunky type of iPhone. But let me tell you something. The reason why I got it, the only reason I upgrade is because I do wear glasses for reading, and it's a little easier on the eyes, and I do like the idea that it's got the 3 cameras there. You know, this one here is the 1 camera, I believe. Well, it's got the front face and the back one, but this one still, let me tell you, even for the iPhone 5, the iPhone 8, it still takes great videos, and it does, what do you call it there, it does nice photos as well. I mean, you can't go by what I'm showing you here. And the same thing with this little guy. The iPhone 5S takes great videos and takes nice photos. You know, folks, I just want to say this before I close out this video. When it comes to making videos, you don't have to go out and buy all those expensive DSLR cameras. I'm using a Logitech Brio webcam over here. It works great. It shoots in 4K. You know, I mean, I don't know how much more clear or how much resolution. People are, you know, there are people out there that really want that really nice, crisp, clear look, you know, and that's fine. But you know something, as I said it once before in my other videos, it's all in the video editing software. That's what it all boils down to. You could have the most expensive equipment. Now, it does help. I mean, having a brand new camera, a more expensive DSLR camera with the different image with sensor, whatever like that there, where they got some of them have 1-inch image sensors, something along that line. I'm not a professional photographer or videographer. Okay, all I know is I shoot my videos with older technology, and it works. To me, it works. As a matter of fact, I have this. I'm going to do a video on this one here. This one here, I love this little camera, but this one here is a little Sony Handycam. This is the DCR PC1. Okay, it's a nice little camera. It fits in your palm, nice. Look at that there. And I'm going to do a video on that. It's very basic. You know, just talk a little about it. You know how you can set it up and make it, you know, be more functional to make videos. That takes great videos too. Okay, I know people might, like I said, there might be people out there beg the difference. I don't know, this guy's still got old technology. How can you make old, you know, shoot videos on old stuff like that there and make it, like I said again, it's all in the video editing software. It really is, folks. But anyway, that's all I want to share with you guys right now. If you found it helpful and you did get a takeaway from it, I always say that in my videos. The most important thing when it comes to making videos is that you guys get a takeaway from it. That is the most important thing. And for those of you out there who are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you already have an established YouTube channel, I'm wishing you guys all the best of luck, the best of success. Go out there, make those videos. People will watch them, and how I know this, because they're watching mine, they're definitely going to watch yours. My videos, they're good. I think they're pretty good videos. I try to, put out good, clean, quality content. On my YouTube channel, I don't discuss, religion and politics. Not that there's anything wrong with it. It's just that I like to just keep it for what it's worth, for what it's all about. And that's the I created this thing, or I call this thing called the His Initiative, which is to help, inspire, and share. And that's what I like to do. I want to help people, I want to inspire people, and I want to share information. If you look at my YouTube banner, that's what it'll say, Richard J. Pacini, YouTube vlogger and creator, news, stories, and ideas to share with the content creator, something like that there. And that's what my YouTube channel is all about. But I do, talk about other things in between. Every now and then I will talk about something else. So if this is the first time, hit my YouTube channel, and you like the content, hopefully you like me as the creator, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated as to when I post out new videos, please don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Pacini signing off. I'll talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.